pains me most is the SHS students, but I pardon them because they didn't know what they were doing. I don't understand what's going on in Ghana. I don't know. Are Ghanaians. I don't know if I should ask if Ghanaians are creatures of God or people from a different planet altogether. Upon everything, upon everything that Nana and Doctor did for Ghana, what pains me most is the SHS students, but I pardon them because they didn't know what they were doing. They listened to propaganda, followed propaganda, and at the end of the day, they were even teasing Nana and Dr. Bawumia by standing up dancing to Eyezu Eyeza. Now look at what they are serving the kids at school. Mahama said, "Aduane a yɛde ma nkwalaa no mefie kraman pondi." Meanwhile, Uba Sefalela or Sefulela or whatever her name is, Farida, she is a product of the free education. What do you say to that? Upon all the promises you gave Ghanaians, what about Betinaho? And you are stealing every policy of Nanado and Doctor. How are you going to implement that when you are not the one who came with the idea? I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I'm so sad.
Na ohwe atofo say everade ato na ne waya ne ho so e humble san me kwara me nim na me say na aboa bi ato wo pa na nka ono atofo so ra no ha nani ene wo kasa kwara menti o waya ne mini mu sa akola ketekete obi be kasa ye ebuli no enso oboa papa very good because we be say no questions na the obey kra san no answer questions ne ho akere no ne ho afa no pa ne ho afa no very good ye leader minority leader honorable afenyo can say da na se onko so ano mu adwuma emfama yi wompene ema wo mu intimidate wo bia na hwe ekwan a honorable samia wuku ebisa a question papa na osi wono no ehwan so mu chairman yi so mo ho ahwani o ono obetia no emompa mo so sankofu an ye no kasa ne de no ye no ho parliament ni de mu bi de entimi nwura ho twede de betu bia bu bia no so pe eni se o mabomode a
Oh no. Ye nyina nim se na Akufo Addo de nyame adom wakọ ni 8 years awie. So I always say I Ghana for shouldn't say Nanado wonga to Nanado obi antu Nanado ye. Nanado have gone continuously 8 years. I always say on what where did 8 years awie. And now no ono oko. Siyehwe ministers here woman start here womu eyi womu ya. One say from the beginning of everything no kra no womu incompetence no I started because wutie nia enipa miensa kra ka efa sa betting tax and those kind of taxes they say they are going to remove them now. Obi ade different and now they are saying different things. So for me, media me I always say me can say Ghana for no 8 years no say a Sunday they want to change. It doesn't matter what you do. Even if you give them from January to December, chop money kura obi akra still no 8 years no they will vote you out. Sa na won decide no because we share juma Akufo Addo why for the first 4 years before that COVID came now. Who said the man has done very, very, very well. And I really appreciate him. Papa. Wabebo ejuma. But a Ghana fune decide say, one no, 8 years I will be call. Inti Kufuor be di ni 8 years. Rollins did ni 8 years. And NDC mono, apart from JJ Rollins, no, Obia no already continuously 8 years. Apart from JJ no so ne party no, Obia ni 8 years of NDC. Yes, at Amos Mahama, they voted him out and I was sayaba. Inti no, one shot, but for us MPP, we will go the 8 years. And let me tell Ghanaians, Dr. Bawumia, God is going to prepare him and come back. Bawumia is coming back and he's coming to spend 8 years. And I know, says Bawumia bad this time around, Anka, next 4 years, no, obe lose. I no, any MPP for DNA. And no, Ghanaians should take it cool. For now, no, they voted for Muhammad now. And yebehwe ene oba beye se ne awakeka no o meto nansesem emfa nkyere yenya yempa nansesem bia etie onye aduma no se ne awaka no so oba beye no onye because already no se ne awoka asisia no se sesia se nka yesan vote fufuru bi o enne on the 13th January anka Mahama vote so betel sa 57 no a onya percent no anka so besan ate yes so Ghana take it cool and let's see. But now do na uncle so say nearman statue and all those kind of things and important onu nyame adom where the 18 years nti ene mpo se koba se nyame mpo frɛ ne mpo a where the mre now so minim say nyame be mana kɔ nanim na de owo ma no or the atoa so de amomanga na do or ye ex president. So me do besia, maybe I will come back again. Why?
Press? No, no, I'm not. Because there is nothing new. There is no policy, no strategy. It's just the old policy now. NPP for no, a dream, you know. That is what they are now coming to ride on. Nothing new. Obi a wo nso so a o beka kire nipa ne se oba ne nan atia you don't have anything for us. Unfa policy any social intervention bi ambaye. And so yi NPP government etumi atena se adwen se yemfa free education in bra. Yemfa school feeding in bra. Yento nnuane ngu hɔ. Yeah, planting for food and jobs. Yento nnuane ngu hɔ because we are in a drought season. Free dialysis, free ambulance, one district, one earth moving machines, drone delivery, and all that. Yeah, just last week in my area, not quite yet. And then we saw that some of the guys in our area had gone to the district assembly. And then we saw the earth moving machine come to grade our roads. Such a fantastic policy. We will review it. We will review it. We will change this. We will change that. And so on the unfunny DM. Atuforsen is my MP. I come from his constituency. Yeah, that is where I come from. But then I wasn't impressed one bit. Sisi ano or and said the 24-hour economy no is for where? Real what? Real industry? What is that? I don't even understand. What? Neba ne say na ne boss ko kan ko nkete. Eba ne say na ne boss ko kan say abobo ya no mo de politan kesi mama nkwala. Eba ne say na ne boss ko kan say omo de omo be man nkwala no machetes no omo de ado. Was it not about the 24-hour economy? Omo anka say hairdressers fo nyina benya adwuma. Security fo nyina benya adwuma. Police which one is real sector? Which one is real sector? Already, bauxite for those in the mining sites are doing 24-hour economy. I work in the ports. We do 24-hour. Everything from releases of cargo to the shipping line, we are working 24-hour already. Into what are you telling us is a real sector? I don't get it. And then what the gold for oil or gold for crude policy. I heard him said he will review it. I said, God, jeez, this guy. At least in Kafa new policy, Mrana Yanka say NPP, you guys are geniuses. Daddy, Obi funny idea, on saying drink, cook up, think, and come up with this genius idea. Only for you to say, so you will come and review it. Review it, like how? Like how? NP, they are just coming to collapse everything. They are coming to just mess up things. NDC for anybody here who voted for NDC, shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you for, yeah, shame on them for imposing these incompetent people on us. True Ghanaians didn't want them. Yeah, yes, shame on them too. Say, Yaji and so. Yaji and so. For bringing these people back to take us back. Just imagine, just look at the tourism sector and the Kufuado, how Ghana gained its glory. Look at it. I'm only praying they don't mess it up because we have gone far. We've gone far with tourism. They shouldn't mess it up. Now we don't messing it up with Yankaya. We are here to match them and mark them boots for boots. They shouldn't think say they have majority so they can only work on us in parliament. No. And I trust Afenyo Markin. He is doing a good job. Let's pray for him and let's hope. Let's hope to say Adwene Satra Mahamenya Adwene Satra. In this time around, he's thinking for Ghana and not for himself and his family, Ibrahim Mahama and his co-workers. Yeah, that's it. We do so to us.